Hey everybody, welcome to Bones and Brews. Today we're gonna have a little fun on a Blackstone Griddle. I've got some things going on the smoker today actually that I'm making for dinner. So we're gonna make a little lunch on the Blackstone. We're gonna go with a jalapeno popper grilled cheese. Let's get started. All right, friends, we are gonna make our jalapeno popper grilled cheese here on the Blackstone. So let's get started. I'm actually gonna start with just a little bit of butter that I'm gonna melt on that Blackstone, because I'm going to toast the inside of that bread, that Texas toast bread, before I flip it over and put the ingredients on the inside. So let's get that started there. That'll take it just a few seconds to get toasted, and then we'll flip it over. So that bread should be toasted already now on the other side. Let's go ahead and flip it over, and we're going to start adding those ingredients to make the inside of our sandwich here. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful toast on the inside. I like it toasted on both sides when I'm using this Texas toast for my grilled cheese sandwich. We are going to start with one piece of Monterey Jack cheese, one piece of sharp cheddar cheese. All right. Then I've got my smoker going today, by the way, folks. I should be honest here. On the smoker, I've got all types of things going on for later on tonight. So this is my lunch. So we're going to do a little smoked jalapeno with some cream cheese, some barbecue seasoning on the inside of that. Now you notice I did not wrap those jalapenos in bacon, because we're going to add bacon right across the top. Some crispy bacon that I pre-made already right here on the Blackstone as well. And then we're going to go ahead now. I'm going to flip this over on there. And I'm going to use my press. Smash it down just a little bit. And we're going to let this sit just for a few moments here, and then we'll flip it over. As you can see, our grilled cheese is ready to go. So we are going to enjoy this. Let's take it off the Blackstone. All right, we've pulled that jalapeno bacon grilled cheese off the Blackstone. I like to keep it simple. I use my pizza cutter. I'm going to cut that thing in half here, throw it on my plate. I'm going to use a little bit of Whataburger jalapeno ranch to dip that in. And then I'm also going to throw a little bit of, from St. Louis, the Red Hot Riplets. If you know, you know. Off to the side there. Woo! And that, my friends, is our jalapeno popper bacon grilled cheese on the Blackstone. It's going to be simply amazing. Let's give it a taste test. Oh, friends, this is easy, simple. If you're like me, you're operating in the backyard, you got the smoker going all day already, but you also have that side griddle, that Blackstone, and you're trying to do something like to make during the middle of the day to keep yourself, a little bit in the belly because you're drinking cold beers while you're smoking. This, my friends, is perfect. That smoked jalapeno, cream cheese, a little bit of barbecue seasoning inside that cream cheese, topped off that cheddar, that mozzarella, and that ranch jalapeno. Perfect to dip it in as well. And of course, the old Vienna Red Hot Riplets. All right, friends, we appreciate you watching. Hopefully you enjoy this grilled cheese sandwich at home. We'll see you guys again on Bones and Brews.